Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday and I hope y'all had a great week. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Looks like a Joy Sunday kit. Oh, nope, there are two Joy Sunday kits. And these two kits come from GBFKE. If they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's take a look at the first kit. I'm just going to set this over here. This is 48 by 44 and it was $11.17. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let me see if I can get it out of there. I swear they make the bag around the item. Holy cow. And we have two beautiful little birds. And this says number 4. But I just thought it was gorgeous. I really, really did. I love the birds and the blossoms. I don't know if they're plum or pear or peach or what kind of blossoms they are. I guess if they were pear, they'd be white. That's the way ours were in Kansas. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. I just love all the colors. Yeah, gorgeous. It is $191 by $239, and it's on 1, 2. These are huge. 3. This one opens up. It has a total of 6 parts to it. It's all right there. Let me see if I can get it out. Holy cow. And this is a partial. You don't do some of the background. And it has a total of 61 colors. We have 61 colors in full stitch. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors in back stitch. So there's no half cross stitch. And there is no French knots. I'm looking. And it does come with 2 sets of numbers. The set on this side belong to the paper pattern. And then when you open it up, let me make sure everybody's going in the right direction. This is the set for the canvas. But look how huge that bird is. I had no idea. I thought this was going to be something small. Totally. I mean, really, truly. Wow. And it's got some light back stitching. There's a little bit around the bird's head. It was such a light color, I had to look twice. And some around their eye. And then the stamens, is that the word? In the flowers. And no French knots, so you could put whatever you wanted. Let's take a look at what the colors are. We have 154, which is that mulberry color. We have 310 black. Looking, I have to open this up. We have 816, which is a brick red. No 823 or 939. They also have the pewter color of 3799, and they're using B5200 for the white. So yeah, that's a lot of colors for one cross stitch. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. We have 2 paper cards. Oh, actually 3, because they put B5200 over here by itself. It does have product number, how many strands, and the DMC number, 2 needles. Let me get this taken apart. Be easier to look at. So B5200. Then we have some luscious purples and pinks. There's that charcoal color, light blue. It's kind of a pale lilac, if you will. It's got more purple looking to it than a pale blue. Beautiful pinks. This is kind of a dark no, I'm take that back. It's a darker green. It's like a dark olive green. I thought it was charcoal until I hit the light with it. Just absolutely beautiful. And browns. There is an actual gray and a pale gray. Kind of a taupe color. Kind of an off-white. It's got a little tan to it. And your blues and your brick red, 310 black. And here is your mulberry color. It's kind of a dark burgundy, if you will. All right. Beautiful colors. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. But I'm just shocked at how big this is. I did not expect this to be this big. And a 14 count. It's huge. But a partial. And it seems to be on white canvas. But you can see how big that bird's head is. Holy cow. And there's the other bird. So you can see everything really clear. Back stitching is going to bring things out. Nice big key. Here is all of your back stitching colors. Your regular colors run across here. And all the way up to the top. Does have the product numbers and the name of it. And let's see here. It is serged all the way around, before I forget to tell you. 51 centimeters, or almost 20¼ inches by maybe, holy cow, hold please, operator error going on, 44.5 centimeters, or about 17.5 inches. The actual picture size is 35 centimeters, or 13¼ inches by 43.5 centimeters, or almost 17¼ inches. So yeah, it's way huge, big, ginormous. I guess I don't pay attention sometimes. I thought it was going to be, you know, about 1/4 of that size, maybe this big. You know, what is that? 11 by 14, maybe, tops. Huge. Ginormous. All right, let's take a look at this one, and it's bigger than I thought as well. It's also a 14 count, and I lied. The last one was $13.41. This one was the $11.17. Oh, well, it's not, I don't, we'll just see it when we see it together, right? Typical Joy Sunday bag. And there you go. 48 by 44. It is a partial. 14 count. It's called Birdie by the Teacup. And it looks like it needs a little more back stitching somewhere. So we'll see how that all turns out. But yeah. This again has 6 pages. Sorry. And, or to the pattern. 220 by 200. So it's pretty close to being square. Very nicely printed. Look how big those flowers are. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? Oh, I don't know. It's all smaller in my head. What can I say? Okay, we got 2 sets of numbers. 48 colors in total. No back stitching. Like I said, it needs just a little hint of a back stitch to this. And it has 2 excuse me, 2 sets of numbers, This one over here is for the paper pattern. This one goes to the canvas, but it is nice, big, readable, easy to see. No 310 black. No 550 purple. It has the 815, which is the brick red. We have 824, which is kind of a almost dark, like navy. No 3371. We have 3031. Jeez, I couldn't talk. It's kind of almost dark brown. And they're using B5200 for the white. So, wow. Okay. Well, these are kind of a surprise. I was not expecting. I thought these were something small. Does come with 2 thread cards and 2 needles. Comes on the same kind of thread cards as the last one. Let's take a gander at the colors. There's your B5200. Ooh, that's kind of pretty color. It's almost seafoam green. Then we have kind of a bluish purple. We have some pinks, some blues, mauve, I guess. There's that brown I was telling you about. It's not as dark as 3371, but yeah, it'll do. And there's that dark green again, $8.95. Some oranges. There's your brick red. Yeah, and there's $8.24. I told you it was kind of, maybe it's more a dark royal blue when I see it in person. We have $3.04 for another red. And some grays, but beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. So let's take a look at the canvas. Well, this is a little more condensed. It doesn't make it look quite as, I don't know, strung out, if you will. It has a little bit of confetti right in there where that shadow bend is, right straight over. But yeah, very well printed. Nice, big, huge key. Product number and the name on the thing, and it also tells you down here how many stitches per stitch. Wow, that's hard to say. Let's see, serged all the way around, and this way it is 19 inches or 48.5 centimeters by, maybe, I think we're gonna get it this time, 44.5 centimeters or 17.5 inches. Actual picture size is 36.5 centimeters or a little over 14.25 inches by it's a little over 15.75 inches or almost 40.5 centimeters. So yeah, I really like this. I like the way it's laid out, but it still needs some back stitching. I'm sorry. I mean, that bird in itself is going on a diagonal from tip of his tail to down where he's at. It's almost 8 inches. It's 7.75 inches. But I like the bouquet of flowers and stuff. I think they're beautiful. Just gorgeous. Let me get this flipped back where, or however it was. It never goes back the same way, I swear, some days. All right, now that is all I got from GBFKE. Thank you, GBFKE, for these 2 gorgeous kits. They're complete surprise because I thought that they would be smaller kits. I don't know what I was thinking. And I even wrote down how many centimeters by how many centimeters each one of them was, and it evidently didn't register in my head. Now, GBFKE has diamond painting and cross stitch. And they do custom for both of those. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they always have great prices, great sales. So I'm sure they're having a summer sale right now. Do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.